Hi, welcome back. Today's day 3. Yesterday morning we did early morning day 2, and we never did a follow-up in the afternoon because the afternoon was mostly about research and trying to find out what our options were about. You might recall that I talked about we decided to do the window. So that was a good thing and a bad thing. So the good thing about it is that we discovered that we had some moisture in the wall, some older moisture, and apparently we have just because this is the corner of the house, we have a minor small roof leak at the very edge. Bobbie and I had added a drip edge last fall, and we thought that that was going to cure the moisture issue that we had, but apparently we were wrong. And now that we took out the insulation, we can see that the structure behind the insulation was still damp. So that's actually good, because we don't want it to cascade into something worse later, where then we're dealing with mold and rot, and you can imagine. So anyway, Bob's going to insert some pictures of the window that I found. We went to Home Depot last night, and we found a window. It's not the right size. It's smaller, which smaller is better than bigger, because I can frame out or build out, or whatever it is that you call it, fur out, the window size and make it adapted. So the opening was 34 by 39. I think we found a 32 by 38 or something like that. 30, I don't know. Anyway, it needs to be furred out a little bit to make it fit, but no big deal. And we also found my light fixture. So I complained yesterday that he was talking about my figuring out the electrical in the room. I at first was thinking, or Bobbie had suggested that I do some track lighting to feature my books. And I'm not a lover of track lighting to begin with. So but I looked at them just for argument's sake, and I couldn't justify it. I didn't like them. They just don't do it for me. So I found a really nice kind of like, and hopefully Bobbie will insert that picture as well. It's a really cool, like, kind of chandelier hanging whatever fixture, wrought iron, antique-y, so it'll fit right in, I think, anyway. So as you can see here, we started the removal of the ceiling tiles already, and the furring strips are in excellent condition, so I'm not going to have to touch those as well. The insulation in the attic above that is pristine, in perfect condition as well. So at least these 3 rows were, so I hope I'm not jinxing it. So that's where we are. Today was day 3. We removed, you can see, 98% of the insulation. So there's still like little things that need to be removed off of this corner. Mostly staples and that kind of thing. And of course you hear Gabriel. Gabriel's voicing his opinion. He's the general contractor, so he has to tell me what to do all the time. But tomorrow's day 4, and we'll see where we go from there. We are going to do, I think before we tackle the wall, I'm not sure how we're going to plan it out. Before we tackle the wall, I think we're going to have to fix the roof a little bit. We're planning on getting a new roof anyway, but just for now, so that we don't ruin the work that we do inside, we're going to fix that on a temporary fix up there, so that it doesn't continue to leak. And that's where we are. So stay tuned. I still have lots to do in here, but little by little, right? That's how you eat an elephant, one bite at a time. So thank you very much. Like and subscribe, please. And have a great night.